Hey guys, hope you're doing okay without me. I'll be back on Wednesday, just a heads up. We're going to start a new unit today, Unit 8. If you have not got to the notes in class notebook, make sure you get there. Pause the video, go open up your notes in Canvas and class notebook and look for Unit 8 notes. We are going to start talking about expressions with exponents. This should be a review for you. You have done exponents in the past. So really, the most important thing, this is the exponent. This is the base. So what that means is we're going to have 5 halves all multiplied together. So let's look at our example A on number 1. We have -7 3 times. So we would need to put this in parentheses, -7, and then we count how many there are, 1, 2, 3, and we put that number in our exponent. Yeah, my 3's awful. You guys are used to that. Okay, so on B, we have 2 different things. We have pi and we have r. So we need to do pi. And how many pi's do we have? We have 1, 2, so we put 2 as our exponent. And then we have r. And we count how many we have, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. And then between them is multiply, so we would multiply. Okay, I want you to pause the video and I want you to try 1 and 2 and then compare with your neighbor. And then come back when you're done and unpause the video. Okay, example 2. Now we have it in exponent form. We need to solve it. So what we can do this 2 ways. We can do -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. And we can put that in our calculator and it will give us the answer. Or we can do it on our calculator. So we can flip over to our calculator. You guys should be able to have your calculator next to you. And I'm going to put in parentheses -2. And then on the right side, underneath the clear, we have the caret button. And we put a 4 there. And hit enter. And it tells us what the answer is, which is 16. So this one would be 16. This one I have -2 to the 4th. Now the difference between this one and this one is the negative is not in the parentheses. It is outside the parentheses. So it would look like this. So if we put that in our calculator, so we put our negative in first and then parentheses 2 times, and then we do caret 4, and enter, we get a -16 because the negative is on the outside of the parentheses. So it's being multiplied later. Okay, let's look at, I want you to be able to pause the video. I want you to do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Compare with a neighbor in the class, and then come and unpause the video when you're ready to move on to the next one. Okay, example 3. It says use the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. First is parentheses. Second is exponents. Third is multiply. Then divide. And then add and subtract. So we do this in order. So first thing we do is check for any parentheses. Then we do exponents. Then we multiply. Then we divide. Then we add and we subtract. Write this down. If you can't read my writing, go Google PEMDAS. It'll tell you what it is. So look at A. First thing, do we have any parentheses? No. So we move on. Do we have exponents? Yes, we have an exponent. So we go back to our calculator and we do 3 to the 4th power. 3 caret 4. All right, 81. So we go put 81 back here. Rewrite it. 3 plus 2 times 81. Then we go down. Multiply is next. So we got to do these two. So 2 times 81. $162. Plus 3. 162 plus 3 equals 165. Okay, do B. B, so we look for parentheses. There's no parentheses. So we're going to do our exponents, these two right here. So 3 to the 3rd power. We put that in our calculator. 3 to the 3rd is 27. Eight squared, 8 times 8. Or if you don't know how to do it, you come back and go 8 squared is 64. Divide 2. So we did parentheses, we've done our exponents, now we multiply. There's no multiply, so we divide. So 64 divide 2. You can put in your calculator. 64 divide 2 is 32. 27 minus 32. Put in your calculator. 27 minus 32. So your answer for that one is -5. Okay, I want you to do C, and then I want you to do 7, 8, and 9 and check with a partner. And then with a partner, I want you to do the word problem together. Have a great day.